Hello, this is TCG, and in this video I'll be solving the CTF called Bluemoon. Let's get started with the net discover and then map. There are three ports open on the machine. The first one is an FTP port, the second one is an SSH port, while the third one is an Apache HTTP server. Let's see what the server has. So there is an image and a text says, "Welcome, are you ready to play with me?" And if I go to page source, there is nothing here. So I'm going to use GoBuster in order to run a directory busting. There are two directories on this website. The first one is a server status, which we are not allowed to view, but the second one is a directory called hidden text. Let's see what this has. It says maintenance, sorry for the delay, we will recover soon. And if I view page source, there is actually nothing here except this one, this particular link, which redirects you to a QR code. You can use any number of online tools or offline tools or CLI commands such as zbarimg to figure out what this has, what this decrypts into. And at the end of the day, we get an important text which gives us a username and a password. The password is just said FTP password with a replaced with an @ symbol, but so this gives us a clue that this is used for the FTP, and let's do it. We've got two files from the system. The first one is in information.txt, which says, "Hello Robin, I'm already told you about your password weakness. I will give you a password list. You may choose any one of the password." So this gives us a clue that there might be a user named Robin, and there is a password that the password that Robin uses is one from this particular file. Robin has one of these passwords. So we're going to use Hydra in order to tell us which one. Hydra has told us that this is the password to the username Robin. Now let's use SSH in order to log into the machine. And we're in. Turns out Robin doesn't have any access. Even if I do, so if I do sudo space -l, it tells us this. This may be a good clue for later on, but it says that there is a particular file named robin/project.feedback.sh. So let's go there and see what you have. But first, we'll take the first flag. There we go. We have the first flag. This particular machine has 3 flags, so 2 more flags to go. If I go to cd projects, there is a file called feedback.sh, and we can see that it asks for a feedback. And but at the end of the day, this particular feedback We have two inputs. The first one is a name, and the second one is a feedback, which goes through this particular command. And from the sudo space dash l command, I think we can run this with Jerry. So let's try this. Now onto the second flag. And we now have the second flag of the machine. Now for the third flag, we need root access. The first thing that I'll do is I'll spawn a terminal using Python. Now that we have access to Jerry, let's see how we can use this to elevate our privileges to root. The Docker group has been assigned to Jerry. Let's see all the Docker images that are available. There is an Alpine image available, and there is an exploit for Alpine images that can allow you to gain root access. This particular command is from GTF bins, and it can allow us to break out from the restricted environments by spawning an interactive system shell. So if I use that command, and if I type who am I, we finally have the root access on the machine. Finally, we have the third flag on the machine. Thank you for watching.